Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tani and welcome to the Tani Experience. Whilst you're here, why don't you just click the subscribe button down below and turn on your post notifications so that you know every time I post a video. Okay, so I know it's been a few weeks since I posted a video, but life got in the way. But today I'm filming a video for you guys. It should be a very fun one. I'm going to be doing the 5-minute makeup challenge. So I'm going to attempt to do an entire face, a full face of makeup in 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes. Let's see how it turns out. I'm hoping that I come up with something decent enough to be able to go out with. Not that I'm going anywhere, but I'm just saying, like, in the event that I'm in a rush, at least I know what I'm capable of in 5 minutes. So I'm just going to set my timer on my phone and then we'll get started. Let me reset this thing. Okay guys, so I'm going to start the clock and let's see what we can achieve in 5 minutes. I'm so nervous. Okay, let's start now. Okay. Applying foundation first. I know I need to get a new beauty blender. Mine is like a hot mess. Please don't do this at home. You will get a breakout. Oh gosh, I'm already at 35 seconds. The beauty blender is literally breaking down on me. That's so embarrassing. Oh my god, we're at a minute already. Okay, let's try to apply some concealer. Gosh, this is harder than I thought. Guys, the time is passing so quickly.
Two minutes gone.
Y'all kind of like standing there staring me down and making me how nervous. Guys, I'm almost at 3 minutes. I haven't even done my brows yet. Oh my goodness, where's my brush? Let's try to get these brows under wraps. Can you stop talking, please? Wow,
50 seconds.
eyebrows take the longest. Oh my gosh, you guys, like, can you take him, please? Oh my gosh. Just put some mascara at least. Do I even have time for some highlights? At least some highlights.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Dude, I literally have a timer. Like, you don't have to be calling. Oh my gosh, you are like, this is horrible. Guys, this is horrible. At least some lip gloss. I have 10 seconds left. Some blush. And time. Let me see how it turned out. I don't think I did such a bad job. What do you guys think? At least I got some little eyebrows. I'm glowing, so that's a good thing. I think I can get away with going out like this. What do you think? But yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't think it's too bad. I'm trying to convince myself that it's okay. Yeah, I think I can get away with that. I think that's how some people make up. I think that's how some people's makeup look on a regular, so yeah, I think I did a pretty good job. Anyways, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy watching me do my makeup in 5 minutes. 5. This is the stopwatch. It shows that it's 5 minutes and 2 seconds. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing more videos like this, like in more challenges, more fun videos like the new mirror makeup challenge, please comment down below. Don't forget to like this video. Again, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social media outlets. My name is Tania on Instagram, and it will be in the description box down below. Anyways guys, that's all for this video. Mwah. Bye. I'm here now, so today hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video was so fun to film. If you guys